Yeah. Ohio grinding, wind cutting like a knife. 5 days left till we see home life. Pushing black gold down the river. Let's go! That's who we do this for, baby. Pushing through the storm, never shaking. Coal in the barges, wind in our face. 5 days to freedom, freedom. This space. That's who we do this for, baby. River rats running, ain't no maybe. 15 loaded, one empty on the hip. Towboat kings, we never slip. Sleet slapping the wheelhouse, snow on the glass. Overcast skies, but we still haul ass. High winds rocking the tow. 20 knots gusting, but the engines keep thumping. No discussing. 15 boxes locked, full of that black coal. One empty rotten hip, keeping us in control. Flanking hard through the bend, current trying to fight, but I got the wheel steady, running these boats all night. First time on the radio, voice cut through the static. Captain, how copy? Man, it felt cinematic. Pilot came back cool, calming the gale. That solid copy, deckhand, we ride this rail. That's who we do this for, baby. Pushing through the storm, never shaking. Coal in the barges, wind in our face. 5 days to freedom, we roll this space. That's who we do this for, baby. River rats running, ain't no maybe. 15 loaded, one empty on the hip. Towboat kings, we never slip. 5 days till crew change, countdown on the wall. Coffee black as the coal, answering the call. Face wires tight, ratchet singing that song. Couple lines humming, holding 30,000 tons. Gloomy as hell, but the heartbeat is loud. Diesel and river, yeah, we wear it proud. Talk to the pilot again, wind howling outside. He laughed through the speaker, pure riverboat pride. Drop that gem on the recording so clean. That's who we do this for, baby. Know what I mean? For the families waiting, for the lights back home. For every load delivered, we carve through the foam. Cold hands on the wheel, frost on the breath, but the fire down below, that's life, not death. We move the nation's power, one barge at a time. Through the ice and the fury, we still shine. That's who we do this for, baby. Pushing through the storm, never shaking.